Hi, I'm John Apolloni, Director of FSG and Hub Business Solutions. Recently, we attended the Xero Roadshow in Sydney and found out what's new with Leap. Hi Bobbi, my name's John Apolloni and I'm here today to find out all about Leap. So can you tell me what Leap is, please?
Certainly. It's a cloud-based practice management software for small law firms here in Australia.
Law firms?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you say small, what size?
Well, generally we have clients joining us 1 to 25 people, so what we would say is small.
Okay, and with this product, what does it actually do for the law firm? How does it work?
Well, we actually say it's everything that you need to run a small law firm. So it is matter management, it is matter-centric, so there's more than 1,000 different matter types set up in Leap, and it's really intuitive so that you just pick the matter type that you need. All of the relevant information will appear ready for you to enter in the information about that matter.
And with that matter, does that include documents and pro formas and templates?
Yeah, that's right. It is. It does form the electronic matter for your client, so rather it's the equivalent of your manila file essentially, and it does integrate with forms we have the largest content team in Australia setting up forms, and all of the fields from the matter merge into those forms, so court forms, authority forms, things like that. It also integrates with practice step-by-step guides and precedents. So for all of the relevant areas of law that the practitioner's working in.
Okay, and given that we've got lots of states in Australia, does it provide the different templates and documents for each state?
It certainly does.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So it's matter-driven, it creates the matter, and you then input the details about the respective client for that matter. And how does it manage your team?
Yeah, so it has a timesheet. Obviously with lawyers the timesheet's the most important part because that relates to how they're going to get paid. So it's got a really great timesheet in there. It has budgets set up in there so the fee earners can have a daily quota that they want to reach. They can see how they're going towards tracking that quota. That also forms the information that goes onto the invoice as well. So it also has a mobile app, and you're able to phone the client from the mobile. It will time record and post through to the timesheet for you to save a lot of time for those law firms that are out and about.
Okay, so as well as having a phone app, and it's cloud-based, a lawyer who's out and about at the courts could go onto his iPad and enter information?
That's right. We're just about to release the iPad version.
Okay.
But actually with Leap, it runs on the desktop and you're able to work offline. So if there is a solicitor sitting at court waiting for his criminal law matter to be heard, which can take all day essentially, he can continue to work in Leap. So he can work in an offline mode, do his time recording, and then when he reconnects to the internet, it will resynchronise with the server.
So Bobbi, earlier on you mentioned that there are practice guides in Leap. Can you explain that a little bit further, please?
Yeah, certainly. So they're written by practicing lawyers and they relate to all of the common areas of law, so it's great for a general practitioner. And they are step-by-step, so they're set out as a matter guide. So it enables firms to take on other areas of law that they may not be familiar with. So it's perfect for startup firms that want to take on new areas of law. It will help them guide them through that type of matter, and it has all of the relevant precedents and forms within the guide as well, so it's really interactive.
That's terrific, Bobbi. So in a nutshell then, what would you say are the key benefits of Leap to small law firms as compared to, say, other products in the marketplace?
Well, we are cloud-based, so there's a lot of benefits there, obviously with the IT cost savings, so that would definitely be one. And with productivity benefits of running Leap, are really, worth tens of thousands really to a law firm.
That's terrific. Now, it's cloud-based. Can you tell us a little bit more about how it integrates with Xero as accounting software?
Yeah, certainly. So all of the the matter-related accounting transactions are entered into Leap. So anything to do with the matter. So it's really a lawyer's workspace that they work from the matter, all of their time recording. If they need to issue a disbursement for an account or some trust monies, do a trust receipt, it's all recorded within Leap. And then Xero will take care of the general ledger side of things. So for the office transactions, they will be journaled into Xero at the relevant time.
Okay, and you've touched on that dealing with trust accounts. So obviously built into Leap are trust accounts for various client matters.
That's right. So all of the trust stays within Leap, of course, because it is where all the compliance takes place. Xero doesn't take care of the trust accounting at all, and that's where you run your reconciliation and your trust month-end procedures are all from Leap.
And I'd imagine also it would provide the clients with monthly statements on their trust accounts as well.
Yeah, that's right. So there's a full audit process in there that you can run the reports at any time to keep all of those records up to date. That's correct.
Now, you indicated that there's over 1,000 standard matters sitting in Leap. Does that cover all scenarios, or can a lawyer create his own particular matter, or is that not necessary at this point or not required?
It probably wouldn't be necessary. We have covered all of the main basis, all of the common areas of law that a general practitioner would practice in. So it really is for the startups that want to deal with all areas of law. So everything's set up, ready to go, pretty much.
Well, that's been fantastic. Thank you for telling us all about Leap. Thank you very much, Bobbi. So to get your business in the cloud with Xero or its add-on partners, just click the link. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.